Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Friday the 17th of January, Yate today. There's quite a few charity shops out there at the shopping centre. Didn't see very much that I wanted to buy. Did spot this. Obviously the fact it had been reduced to £1 was the sort of thing that caught my eye. It's just a display. I actually assumed that it didn't work for that price, but it does work, and it's got batteries in it, which was quite a surprise. And it's even got a USB power supply. So you can run it off USB. Now, the reason I bought it, well, apart from it being £1, was I did wonder whether we could use it for a general display. It does look like that just comes off. Maybe there's some screws in it. Let's have a look behind the batteries. Manufactured by The Source, wholesale. No date on it. Made in China, obviously. Okay, 3 of Poundland's finest. No screws in there. So I reckon it probably does just pop off. If you know how. Oh, unless there's anything. I can't feel any screws under here. Looks like that should come apart. There we go. There we go. Right, got it. Yeah, I was wondering whether we could. Well, 3D print seems a little bit over the top. That would take hours to print. You could probably just cut something out of cardboard to do the same thing, to change the text. In fact, I expect you could just sort of cut this area out where the text is and have a smaller area to write on. I don't know. I mean, now that I'm looking at it, I quite like it, and the fact that it works, which was a surprise, is fine. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 LEDs with the resistors for each LED. That looks like 510 written on the resistor. And then a little USB supply, which, as I say, was quite a bonus. Didn't spot that. Looks like there's nothing to stop it going straight across the batteries. So you put in current into the batteries as well as the LEDs when you're using the 5-volt supply. Which is possibly not a good thing. You don't really want to be putting power into non-rechargeable batteries. On the other hand, you could probably swap them out for nickel metal hydride and they'd get a boost while it's plugged into the USB. Yeah, as I say, my thought was change the writing, but now I'm looking at it, I mean, it's still possible. You could say 3D print a frame and have whatever text you like on it with some suitable bit of plastic sheeting behind it. I'll have a think about that. At the moment, it'll just go into my stock of stuff. I suppose I could just put that on there, couldn't I? So we can see the LEDs come on. Green LEDs. I expect there might have even been instructions not to have batteries in there if you're going to use it on the USB supply. Yeah. For £1, that's absolutely fine. I wonder how much they are originally. Thumbnail. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.